Hey there, awesome marketers. Amar here. Today I've got something incredibly exciting for you, a game-changing opportunity that's going to take your online marketing to new heights. I'm talking about 10 high-converting Leadsleap Capture Pages that come with private label rights. Yep, you heard that right. These are not any pages. They are your secret weapon to captivate in your audience and boost your conversions. I will show you how to use them in a minute. Now, before we dive in, let me share why these 10 capture pages are a game changer. They are meticulously designed for maximum conversions, featuring compelling headlines and irresistible calls to action. Now, let's talk about personalization. Rebranding these pages with your unique style and personality is a breeze. Make them yours, stand out in the crowd, and build trust with your audience. But wait, there is more. With the private label rights, you are not just getting pages, you are getting complete ownership. These pages are yours to use, modify, and profit from without any restrictions. Imagine the possibilities. The only thing that you cannot do is selling the PLR rights to this package, but you can use them yourself, give them away for free to build your email list, use them as a bonus to sell other people's products as an affiliate, and also you can use them as a lead magnet. And when you give them away as bonuses to sweeten the deal when promoting affiliate offers, it will be a win-win. Your audience gets incredible value and you boost your sales. So click the link at the bottom to see all the details about these awesome 10 Leadsleap Capture Pages. And keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to import these capture page designs and then modify them to match your personality and match your brand. Now here is another incredible opportunity offered by these 10 awesome capture pages. If you decide to promote this package as an affiliate, you will be making up to $42 per sale. I'm offering 100% commission on the front end offer and 50% commission on the one-time offers. So if you get your link and then you promote the package, every time someone buys the front end offer, you get $10 straight to your account. And if they buy the OTOs, you'll be getting 50% commission each time they purchase. So this is an incredible other opportunity offered by this package of 10 Leadsleap awesome capture pages. Alright, I'm going to show you how easy it is to import these pages into your Leadsleap account. Just follow these steps and within minutes you will have professionally designed pages ready to roll. So once on your Leadsleap account, go to the left and find Page Manager. So click on it here on the left hand side and then it will open, allowing you to create new pages. So click here to add a new page and then give it a name. Let's call it just Capture Page. This is our capture page and click add now. The page will be created but it's empty with no design. So you need to import one of those designs. Let's take number 9 for example. You click here, add a new design, and then you paste the share code that you get from me. You paste it right here and click import now. I just did that and page was created. If I click on this link now, I will see the design that I just imported, and this is it. So you go back to your Leadsleap account and then you click this button here, Launch Editor, in order for you to be able to customize the design and to match your needs. So this is the first part on the top that is giving an idea of what you are offering. I put here get free access to this awesome tool, content, or training now. And there is this attention grabbing sign. Attention, this is a limited time offer, creating urgency. And then you put your main headline right here, a subheadline here, a subheadline or a call to action here. People will put their email address here. Click the button, make it happen. Start now. It's an awesome also call to action. After that, they will be entered to your email list that you'll be attaching to this page. Of course, this graphic also can be changed. You just click on it and then you click on the side here and you go and find another graphic on your computer to be here, and then of course you can resize it. If you want to change the headline, you click on it and you go to the right side here and you put the text that you want to replace it with. You can go to the footer part as well and put the name of your website right here. You can click and modify at the right side here. You can change the links on the footer. And very important thing, actually, you need to attach the capture page to the list that you want to build. So you go to the right hand side here, it says list, you click on it, and then if you want to use a Leadsleap list, you click on the first button here. If you want to use a get response or any other third-party manager, you click on this one. So this is, I use Leadsleap Steed List Manager, so I click on this one and then I will go to get the list ID I want to build. I click here and go to find the list. Let's take this one for example. And now the capture page is attached to this list. Anyone who puts his email address and clicks the button will be entered to this list. And if there are follow-up email series, he will receive them in the future. Very important to put a link in this field here. This is called the bridge page. When people click on the button to subscribe to your list, they will be taken somewhere and you want them to go somewhere where you make affiliate commissions. So for example, this link here might be your affiliate link for this same offer. I mean, you go, you get your affiliate link from Warrior Plus and you paste it here, and don't forget to save the changes. But of course it can be any other affiliate link. Now let's save and go back to the design. I'm going to save what I did as changes and then I go back to the design. And if you want to change the background of this page, you just click here on background on the right side here, and then the image that is used here is hosted here already here. So you click this button here and then you go grab any other background that you would like to use. If it is on your computer, you go to My Gallery and then you upload your background from your computer to this page, and of course don't forget to save the changes. Alright, that's a wrap. Imagine the impact these pages can have on your online presence. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these capture pages with PLR are your golden ticket to success. So click the link below to grab your 10 capture pages now.